189 fighters and bombers from Japan's 3rd Air Fleet, led by Japanese Captain Koshida. The unprovoked surprise attack was so complete that the Tora was sent back to the carrier task force before the first bomb fell. A single remote radar station has spotted the incoming raiders, but this present for a flight of B-17s due in from the mainland. The B-17s arrive, and like America herself, find themselves in a war that has not yet been declared. The plan was simple: destroy the Pacific fleet. The raid lasted for a little over 2 horrific and gruesome hours. Yes, we have a front row seat in the Pacific Theater as the story of the town of Pearl Harbor and full of life and wonder. When first bombs began to fall, pilots all over the island jumped into action, and we would feel the tentacles jumping out of bed, strapping on a 45 caliber pistol over his broken pajamas, and ran to a working Curtis B. Very start shaft. Each of his 45 caliber system and began. The following day, December 8, 1941, President Franklin Delano Roosevelt announced our entry into World War II with these words to Congress, the citizens of the United States, and the world.
Day, December 7, 1941, a date which will live in infamy. The United States of America is suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan. It will be reported that the distance of Hawaii from Japan makes it obvious that the attack was deliberately planned many days or even weeks ago. The attack yesterday on the Hawaiian Islands has caused severe damage to American naval and military forces. No matter how long it may take us, roll up this premeditated invasion, the American people in their righteous might will win through to absolute victory.
In the 44 months of fighting that followed, the United States sank every one of the Japanese aircraft carriers, battleships, and cruisers that were part of the Pearl Harbor Task Force. Nagasaki, the city where the special armor busting bombs were made, was destroyed by U.S. atom bombs on August 9, 1945. And a little less than a month later, when the Japanese surrender document was signed on September 2nd, among the U.S. warships present in Tokyo Bay was our battleship, the West Virginia. Would you please bow your heads and join me in a moment of silence in memorial of all of those who lost their lives dead on this day. Thank you. When our nation was strong and united, patriotic. And the 3.5 years after this attack, we, the people of the United States, grew stronger by putting 16 million men in uniform, built 100,000 fighter aircraft, 98,000 transport bombers, 24,000 transport planes, 58,000 trainers, 22 aircraft carriers, over 1,000 other floating ships, from battleships to submarines, and countless of thousands of ground vehicles. The United States of America's dedication led to the surrender not only of Japan, but Nazi Germany as well, giving peace and freedom to the entire world. We do this in appreciation of that dedication, determination, and effort, and extend our appreciation to the men and women fighting for our freedom today. We salute them all, past, present, and future. If the camera is right, you're going to want to get this shot. His brother-in-law, Pat Osborne, Jim Poole, his daughter, and son-in-law, Christine Anderson, John Wolf, Tim Wright, Larry Rappetein, Nick DeHaven,